Hello everyone. Right now I'm in the process of fixing my friend's Xbox 360. So, I'm going to kind of show you how you, if you get the 3 red lights of death, I'm going to show you how you fix that. First, you got to completely disassemble your Xbox down to the motherboard. Move all my shit out of the way. See, that's the motherboard right there. So you have to take off the top and the bottom pieces, and then both the white panels and the faceplate, obviously. And then there's these 6 screws, long screws, that hold the motherboard down to the plate. You pull out your DVD drive, and that heatsink was completely covered in dust. Alright, so I put it back together, at least the components. I didn't put the case back together yet. Turn it on. Shit. Alright, you got the 3 red lights of death. We're going to let it go for a while, and it's going to go to 2 red lights. It means it's overheating. This way it overheated in about 5 minutes, as opposed to the gay things that they're showing you online where it takes like 20 minutes. Stop ignoring me. Ugh. Damn. Alright, now I'm gonna test the Xbox.
We got more top 25 action before we check out.